Hey everybody, today we're gonna do some bats for Halloween. To get started, go grab yourself a piece of paper
with a Sharpie and some markers.
And a bunch of colored markers because we're gonna do this.
Let's get started.
Okay, so let's start off our bat with the ears. And remember, we're gonna start the head in the center here. We're gonna do a line straight up. We're gonna come down, upside.
Kind of like a cat ear?
Like a cat ear, yeah. And then we're gonna do the top of the head. And then we're gonna do the ear on the other side, like this. And then we're going to do a little shape right here. And then we're gonna have a wing on both sides, right? Bats have wings, but at the bottom, I'm gonna do like a upside down, kind of like a big mouth shape like that. Okay, and then now over here, now what that helps me is now I know from here to here I can do the wing. So I'm gonna do kind of like this, almost like a heart kind of shape. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna have kind of like a little squiggly.
I'm gonna do my own.
Yeah, you can do your own. That's it. And then on the other side, and do another arch like that. And then it's gonna come up, down, and around. Cool, good job. Now let's do two eyes, and my bat is gonna have one eye bigger than the other eye. So I'm gonna make one eye bigger, and the next eye is gonna be smaller. And then his pupils are gonna be close together, like to one side of that circle. And the other one's gonna be to the other side of the circle. So he's kind of like looking like cross-eyed a little bit. And then this is a little tricky because we're gonna color the bat black. So we wanna leave the mouth area white because we're not gonna use any pencils for this one here.
So can I like draw them out?
Yeah, so watch me, hun. We're gonna do a little, kind of like a C. And then we're gonna do another C on this side, but a backward C. And then right here, if you wanna turn the page to make the shape easier, you can connect this open spot, hun, right here, and then to that open spot there. That's it, that looks cool. Now we're gonna have two teeth. Now you can make your teeth big or small, but we're gonna connect this line here, but we're gonna stop. And then we're gonna do that, we're gonna stop. Yeah, and then this is where the teeth are gonna be. So depending on what kind of teeth you wanna do, I'm gonna do like a curved shape and then almost like straight up.
I'm gonna do a pointy shape.
And then mine are gonna be curved like that. And then the two parts in the middle, let's connect those together and close that up. So there's our bat. So, did you like drawing a bat? What was your favorite part about it?
My favorite part was doing the fangs.
Doing the fangs?
Yeah.
The teeth? Mine too. I actually like the
vampire.
Yeah, oh my gosh. I like doing the goofy eyes that were like looking cross-eyed. So, I think we've got really good results here, and I think everybody at home, yours is probably better than ours. So keep up the good work, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.